The SunFounder Ultimate Starter Kit provides a comprehensive learning experience by including expert-designed courses and detailed tutorials, making it perfect for beginners aged 8 and up. This kit is equipped with high-quality components such as sensors, actuators, and power supplies, along with an Arduino-compatible Uno, ensuring a wide range of projects and skill-building opportunities. The learning journey is progressive, allowing users to start with the basics and advance to complex topics like Internet of Things and robot cars, catering to various skill levels. Hands-on projects, from simple LED blinking to advanced Internet of Things applications, are included to enhance skill development and boost confidence. Users benefit from dedicated support, including a community forum and timely technical help, ensuring a smooth and seamless learning experience. The kit's compatibility with Arduino Uno IDE and Scratch enhances its versatility, making it a valuable tool for developing technical skills in a fun and engaging way.